Hello guys, welcome to Heck Tech. Today we'll talk on P2P crypto exchanges and their scams. P2P crypto exchanges have been gaining popularity in recent years as they allow users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other without the need for a centralized intermediary. This means that users can trade with each other in a decentralized, peer-to-peer manner, without having to go through a traditional exchange. There are many benefits to using P2P crypto exchanges. They are often more private and secure than centralized exchanges, as they don't require users to provide personal information or store their funds on the exchange. They are also typically faster and cheaper, as there are no intermediaries involved. One of the most common scams on P2P crypto exchanges is the use of fake or scam accounts. Some scammers create fake accounts on P2P exchanges to trick users into sending them cryptocurrency. They may offer to sell or buy cryptocurrencies at a much lower or higher price than the market rate, or pretend to be a reputable seller with a lot of positive feedback. Once the user sends the cryptocurrency, the scammer disappears, leaving the user with no way to recover their funds. Malware and phishing attacks are also a common problem on P2P crypto exchanges. Some scammers use malware and phishing attacks to steal users' cryptocurrency and personal information. They may create fake P2P exchange websites or apps, or send phishing emails or messages, tricking users into downloading malware or revealing their login credentials. One important point to keep in mind is that P2P crypto exchanges can also be used for money laundering and other illicit activities. Some criminals use P2P exchanges to transfer large amounts of cryptocurrency without being detected by law enforcement. This can be a major concern for regulators and law enforcement agencies, as it can make it harder to track and prevent criminal activity. Another potential issue with P2P exchanges is that they may not have the same level of customer support as centralized exchanges. Because P2P exchanges are typically run by small teams or individuals, they may not have the resources to provide the same level of customer service as larger exchanges. Finally, it's a good idea to stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space, particularly when it comes to security and regulatory issues. Follow reputable news sources and social media accounts, and stay up to date on the latest scams and threats facing cryptocurrency traders. In conclusion, P2P crypto exchanges are a valuable addition to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, providing users with greater privacy, security, and control over their assets. However, it's important to be aware of the scams and risks associated with these exchanges and take steps to protect yourself. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.